The Moreno Sisters.
What's the first color?
Yellow.
Alright, Stan.
You gotta look for some yellow flowers.
You gotta find something yellow.
You guys ready to look?
Do you want to get out and walk?
Yeah, we're all here looking for some colored flowers. Starting out with yellow.
It could be leaves too.
Oh yeah, we could find yellow leaves too. That's a good idea. What do you guys think?
Good.
See anything yellow?
Good.
No?
I don't see anything yellow yet.
Hmm.
Alright.
Stella,
I think I see something yellow.
you see anything yellow?
Yeah.
You see something yellow, Stephen?
Where?
What?
A flower?
Where do you see? You see some yellow, Livy?
It's a flower! Let me see, what are those? Like little weeds? I don't know
Let's
what
see.
those are. Here's Caesar. It'd be really...
There's Stella.
Whoa.
Stella's coming out.
Yeah.
Let's see, show. You got something yellow? Wow.
There's something
Let's see,
yellow.
Livy, what'd you get?
It's a yellow.
Let's see. Wow.
Back there. Here, let's go find one for Stella.
Oh,
Let's-
there's another one
let's
down
go
here.
see if we can find
Look
some
at that one down there.
Huh? Let's see.
Just be very careful. We don't want to touch something.
Mom! See?
Is that a yellow flower?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Here, hold on. Let me see if I can get it.
Whoa.
Hi.
What do you got?
It's got flowers.
Oh, go show Daddy. Go show Daddy.
Whoa, what do you got, Stella? Want to hold it? Wow, good job. So you found the yellow flowers. Let's see, where is it?
Show the camera.
Libby, you get with... Wow. Good job.
They get a charger.
Where?
That is orange.
You see anything orange? Libby, you see anything orange? Oh, that counts. And look at that sign over there. Let's see. Go, Libby, go get it. Where's the orange?
Orange.
Wow. It sure is. Let's see. Orange.
Daddy has to tell us the next color.
All right, you guys. Red. You guys ready to look for red? Let's look for red. Let's see, what? There's red? You guys find red where?
Right up there.
Let's see.
Can't really grab them. They're too far.
Let's see. Oh, wow. There we go, right there.
Look, there's kind of red down here. Don't touch them real quick because I don't know what kind they are.
No, those aren't. It's a vine.
Oh.
Wow, let's see, Livy. We found some red. Wow.
More red leaves.
All right, we got red.
Any more?
Here.
Yeah.
Wow, let's see. Show the camera. Oh, there's a red. All right. You ready for the next color? Let's look on the chart. You guys ready? Violet, which looks like purple. Purple. Yep, let's look for purple. Well, that's gonna be a hard one, I think. Purple.
Purple. Usually there would be purple flowers, but that was
Let's see. See anything purple yet?
No.
No.
Eddie.
Look it!
Let's see, Libby's. Wow. Let's see, Livy. I didn't see it. Show the camera. Here you go. Good job. Oh, there's a pretty one. White one. Oh, they're grape. It's a grapevine.
Oh, yeah.
That's a grapevine. We found a grapevine out here. Look at this. Look at you guys, grapes. But this is kind of blue right here. Look at. Look at it. Found some grapes. Isn't that cool? Show the camera. Did you find some grapes out there? Some wild grapes? Oh, wow. Pretty cool. Wow. Hey guys, I'm here with Olivia. Can you say hi?
Hi.
You having fun?
Have fun?
Yeah. Green. You guys see anything green?
You don't see anything green.
Stacey, you see anything green? Livy, you see anything green? Is that green?
You don't see anything green? What?
There's green right here.
Where?
Is it all green?
Where's it green?
Look.
Where else is it green?
It's green.
Is this green? Is this green? Is that green? Oh, Stella, what is that? Oh, whoa! Well, we got sidetracked. We found a little watering hole. Time to get some water, guys. You guys thirsty? Found some green because everything is green. Well, we have an oak tree.
Found something green.
You found something green? Whoa, was that hard to find?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Mom, not found a green leaf.
Did you find a green leaf too?
Yeah.
Wow. Good job. Oh, there they go. Go get them, Livy. Go get them, Stella.
I want to take a picture. Hold on.
Boop, peekaboo. Wow. Wow, is this cool? Wow.